Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about another thing that you can do for security for your home. Now, you're probably wondering and asking yourself, why are the lights off? They're not. These are the curtains that I was telling you about. I'll leave the link in the description box below, okay? These are the curtains that you cannot see inside anyone's home if they have them up. You can't even see outside. Look. I'm pointing the camera right at the front window. Can't see anything, can you? These curtains are so amazing and they're not expensive. So these are actual total blackout curtains, and these are wonderful for security, especially for us preppers, because no one can see inside. So if you have one of those rooms, like you took your spare bedroom and you turned it into a pantry, and you definitely don't want anyone to see what's in there, get these curtains. Okay, now I'm outside and you can see just how much you cannot see inside my house with those curtains up, okay? So now I'm going to show you what else we're doing for more security for around the house, okay? I have showed you these lights in a previous video. So I'm going to be putting these up, and then when it gets darker out, I'll bring you back outside so you can see how much they light up the backyard and stuff like that. So let me get to putting these up. They're very, very easy. I'll show you one of them, how I put them up, okay? I'm going to try and put one of these up right here on the fence. I want to see if I could put it on the fence. If not, I have plenty of trees in my backyard to where I could put them on the backyard, in the backyard, but on a tree. Holy cow. Mom brain. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here. This one goes with this light right here. And I just dropped the darn screw. Okay. Now, if you're asking why I'm putting it at this level, it's because I don't want to get on the ladder right now. And if I were to wait for Sean to come home, he would be doing this at 9:30 at night, and you know, after working all day, I'm sure he does not want to be getting up on the ladder to be hanging lights. And I forgot to charge the battery from the drill, so I have to use a regular screwdriver. Alright, that's on nice and tight. Now this light right here takes the batteries. Right? No. See. Shite. Hang on. You know what it is? All of my other battery operated security lights take D batteries. And I could have sworn this one said D batteries, but it's C, but that's fine. That's right. All right. Now let me get the little screw here that goes on the bottom of this. And it slides down. And then there's this little screw right here. That goes right here. So that is that one now. Okay. Now on to the other ones. Okay, so now I'm going to install this light on this tree here. I wasn't able to put it on the fence like I wanted, but that's okay. It's getting dark out. Ooh. So at least you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. I can barely see what I'm doing because the light is so bright. Can you see how bright this darn thing is? It's insane. So that's how bright this one is. And I will scan you around. So you can see, okay. Now hang on, I'm going to go do the other one now. Okay, now I put a light over here in this corner because this corner has always been way too dark. And the dogs, for some reason, always come over here to this corner. So every time we let them out at night, they always come over here to this corner for some reason. So that is why I put a light over here in this corner. Now whether we have trespassers, I don't know. So why not just go ahead and put a light here in this corner? So 3 more security lights. So now we are up to 13 security lights. Now these are all, every single one of them are grid down security lights. All battery operated, either C or D batteries. And they're all like $20. Sometimes you can get 2 packs for like $30. Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's you can buy them at. So when I, because I keep getting asked, well, what are some grid down security things I could put in place in my home? First and foremost, get those curtains. Second, get these lights, okay? Third, the one thing that I want to do, that Sean and I have been working on getting the supplies for, but we can't do it right now. Why? Because we have dogs. And the reason why we won't put them up is because we don't want the dogs to get hurt. And what I'm referring to is like digging along the fence line here, okay? You'll be able to see it better when during the day, of course, but digging like a trench here along the fence, okay, and setting up like what you would consider like booby traps, okay. But obviously, because the dogs run up along the fence line with the dog next door when they play together, that's obviously not an option right now. I don't want my dogs to get hurt. I don't want the dog next door, Jax, I don't want him to get hurt. So this is why we're not putting those in place. Also, something else that you can do is set up a tripwire. Yes, we do have the materials to do that, okay? But what we're going to do is you can either use fishing line or wire. We have gone with the wire route. Why didn't we put that up? Once again, we don't want our dogs to get hurt. So we have to wait. Okay, well, when are you going to do it? When society literally goes into a total just, I don't even have to explain it to you. You understand, okay? Another thing that you can do, especially if you have a fence around your property, whether it's wood or chain link, you can put, now I'm not saying to go get like barbed wire or anything like that, because in certain counties around the country, excuse me, it is against the law to have barbed wire around your fence. Here it's against the law. Why? Because, and I spoke to a police officer and he told me this, it's against the law to have it in this county, because if, say they are on a foot pursuit and they are chasing down an unsub or subjects or a suspect or whatever the case may be, and they have to, the police officers have to hop a fence. Okay, if they get hurt, guess what? The homeowner gets in trouble. So you can't put up barbed wire. So what we are thinking about doing is like maybe every so often or every couple of feet, putting like nails, up on the fence here, okay? If you have a wooden fence, you can just hammer them up through, okay? We would have to probably get some kind of like a Gorilla Glue or something like that to put it up. But I mean, if you live in an area where you can do barbed wire, hey, listen, go do it. But we can't do it here. Anyway, that's all for this video. That's what our plans are for grid down security and what we have already put into place. All right, I love you. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive, and by all means, please keep prepping. Bye.